Hey guys, Ivan here. This time what I'm going to show you on here is actually changing the whole door unit. Okay, I've showed you how to change this before, but this time we're going to change all the inside. There is a little bit involved in it. If you still got your key, it's really helpful to change your barrel out. Okay, so this one here's, that unit there is actually broken, so it has to be changed out. We'll lock it and we'll pull the door apart. So your 3 screws here, they all come out. Pull that part off. Now this is the bit I told you not to lose, not to take out, but because we have to, if you have a quick look in here, you'll see these gears where they're meshed. We need to put that back together exactly like that. All right, and I'll show you a real quick way how to do it. So we take this out. So here's a tip. Because we pulled it apart, locked, what I want you to do is lock this up as well. So we know that it's in the locked position, your handle's down, etc. Okay? On here, you can see where the teeth are that have to mesh up into these. So there's your bottom one there, it's covered under the grease at the moment. But that one there is going to mesh into here. Mesh the top in, up there, as you can see there. Now you'll notice that this doesn't line up. So if you keep the gears locked in and pull that into there, okay? So that needs to mesh in. So you just have to move this plate to line it up. And that'll work. If you have a look, you'll notice that that'll work. It'll work your top ones as well. We know we're in the right spot. So now, before we can put it all back together, we have to take our lock out of here, put it in the new handle. So that's locked at the moment. We have to pull this out. So if we lift the handle up and turn that, it'll come out. Pull this off. Ooh, so all that comes out. We take the back out, that piece. Now, if we look in here, you've got a little tab on the bottom and you've got 2 tabs on the side at the top. This actually has to turn right around that way. Okay? And that little tab at the top has to come down and then the barrel will come out. Okay? And then that will then go in your new piece. That little keyway there will line up with that bit there, that gap. It'll slide in together and turn. So now we've got all this back together, we've got this in place. We can just go straight into here. Ta-da! Put our screws back in. Like new.